everyone, Stephen here from Rosemount Shooting School. Welcome to our channel. We have today is this classic 12 gauge Remington 1187 semi-auto. This particular one has a 27.5-inch barrels, choked, chambered for 2 3/4 or 3-inch shells. The most attractive feature in this is the curly maple stock and forearm, weighing in at just 7.5 pounds and is in supreme condition. If you're interested in something like this or something similar, check it out on our website or give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Guys, take care. Thanks for watching.